Many people complain that the channel has not yet released instructional videos, but only shows the results. Okay, so today let's learn how to make a slide with a simple effect, but with surprising results. Let's do it. The first step is to design the layout. Please add a square to the slide. Let's adjust a little so the layout looks right. Next, copy and paste this square into a smaller shape. It sounds confusing, but believe me, this layout is the most important part of the slide that determines 40% of your presentation. In the next videos, I will guide and clarify why the layout in a slide is so important. Okay, next we will design the option buttons. Remember, two things are most important in a slide presentation: the content and the arrangement of each slide. After designing the option button, let's fill in the content. Choose the appropriate font and color. Another thing to note is that combining colors in slides is also an indispensable part of creating an impressive slide presentation. Okay, now onto these cubes. Edit it a bit and add images to make it look more impressive. When choosing an image, remember to choose a photo with a very high resolution so that when we edit it, it will not be blurry. Now add some effects to the option button. When first making slides, we should take the time to learn on Google or YouTube about how to use PowerPoint before trying to make it artistic. And the most important part is this: content of the slide. You should remember that the most important thing that accounts for 60% of the success of the presentation is the content you want to convey in the slide. One slide, and for the remaining slides, you just need to copy and paste the layouts and fill in the content. Remember, copying and pasting things that are repeated from the previous slide and will appear on the next slide will help you save more time. And this is the final step to add transition effects between slides. In this part, I choose the morph effect. And remember to link the option buttons we edited above to the corresponding slides. So it's done. Show me your presentation. Wishing you success in applying it in your presentation. Good luck.